Hi guys, I am back, and I set up Moa's Sabah. As you can see, it's right here, and I'm in creative mode because I can switch back by doing a command like this. Game mode, then your username, and 1 is creative, 0 is survival. Right now I want to stay in creative, so I'm just gonna hit in that. Okay, so again hit slash, I accidentally hit serious, and I'm glad for that. And here's my shop. I'm practically doing what Paul Soares Jr. is. I found some flat area on a desert, okay? And I'm using all this area, so there's a good amount of railroad tracks, and this is a transportation area. That is like the king of railroad tracks. Well, not really, because this is the only railroad, but it is gonna be soon, because I'm gonna remove all these railroad tracks from my shop, okay, except for this one that's over here. Wait, actually never mind, I'm gonna keep all of them, because they're really not bothering me that much, because, you know, they keep themselves nice and tidy. No! Sheesh, if that fence, I would be in big duty. I'm sitting in it and watch. Oh, I'm always included. And if you want to see where this goes, I'll show you. I think it's like my longest trail. Or maybe it is. Yeah, it is. I'm not gonna run into that stone. Well, guys, pretty impressive, and yes, this is not my polished computer. I mean, it's way less laggy. I could turn up the sound, shouldn't I? Oh. That's weird, actually. Wait, hold on. Is my music off? Oh. But, hey. Well, actually, that's pretty normal. I mean, there's a server. Yeah, so. And, so yeah, that's the one I have there. I go over there to collect resources. Oh, and the last thing I would do is put down a redstone fortress, or else, like, some tracks won't get power and it'll just go away. So, those are this, and these are 2 carts to town, okay? And this is actually to my friend James's house, okay? Right here. It's under construction, and I can just use a chest and send it over there, and oh, I thought that was a gray sheep. I keep on forgetting that. So sorry, a cart movement. And this one goes to town. This one goes to my house that's also in construction. It's gonna be over here. I'm gonna have more houses. And I think I'm just gonna have a couple more, and then I'm gonna stop there for now. That's where I stop now. And here is my mountain cart, where I could go to a mountain. And that is over there, and if you look closely, you might see some, like, glowing bits on the mountain right there where my Minecraft cursor is, right there. Those are the redstone tracks. And, okay, you gotta see those, or else you're blind. So, I know what you're thinking, pretty simple. Not really, because, trust me, you will go up things way faster than you make them. I mean, trust me, guys. Why do I always get, like, for some reason when I go here, I don't see me, like, right here. It is just dirt block. better, which better. Try that out, because I'm not going to spend much time up here in the mountains. I just like seeing what's what. And, what the town I'm talking about, like the railroads to town, is strange, can't see town yet. Alright, it's in that direction. Oh! Jeez! Scared me. Okay, me guys. And, oh yeah, that's not better. Got confused. Oh, and you can't place tracks, like, place it on block and remove block, you'll remove the track. So, yeah. Like a fucking Bronco. I'm just gonna exit this and let it go in. And yeah, I just goes in there. And I get hurt for 1 second because my head does go through this log. But it's only like half a heart, mostly because I have can't see my iron. Well, even without my diamond armor, which I just keyed out, but when I'm on survival, I take it off. Right, Captain? And okay, let's go see town. And I'm not gonna take the blame for town. Okay. But I'm just gonna build around it. And sometimes use it like as New York City, and then I'm gonna extend and make another track today if I have time. Coming over to this town to where I'm going to build some other parts to it. And as you can see, there's a town. If you guys are saying, like, do you need a mod for to get these, like, people with big noses or whatever? Or the ushers? No, you do not. Okay? I actually saw one over here somewhere, right? Yeah, here it is. I do not have a mod. Well, except for my fly mod. See? Whee! But this is an usher dude. Well, I think it is. But you can kill them. There's usually many of them. They spawn in the houses, but, well, they don't respawn. Oh, what do you know? But they don't respawn. They're like, in the houses until you, like, open the door and just scare them out or whatever, then they'll go away. So it's pretty nice, so if you're living in a home, it won't bother you. Like, there used to be 2 ushers there, and oh, I haven't came in this one. I'm gonna explore it. I think I know why I couldn't get in it. And I'll teach you how. Usher dude! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! See? They come just right out. Isn't that awesome? Close the door. And here's the Tower of Powder. And this, I definitely saw ushers at. Oh my gosh. My bed! I'm like a professional at this. Die in my redstone torch. They don't give you anything. Well, at least I think. My bed. My extra farm. Well, that's gonna. Oh. That's so cute. Actually, Paul Sword Streamer, he's doing his 1.0 Minecraft 1.0 test drive, okay? And he actually was living in the same. Well, he wasn't living in here, but he had the same seed as I do. Because I remember them bringing 2 stones here, but I had to destroy the other one because it was getting glitchy. Okay? And what he did was, he rigged this up, because this is a pressure plate. Yeah. I know it is, but it's pressure plate. And he rigged it up with redstone and TNT, but it didn't work, so he just simply right-clicked it and ran out the door. And when it blew up, the ushers were actually, or whatever they are, hiding behind here, and they were protected from the explosion. And they're smart. Okay. So yes, click on blacksmithers. Oh dear. Sorry, blacksmithers house. Why? I didn't find any answers in here. Oh! And actually, if you do what I'm doing fast enough, like that, if you like do it with sand, then you'll actually catch the sand with the stone, and it won't fall. Smooth cobblestone looks better. Hopefully. Okay. Oh, I'll figure that. Check that. What? See? Sand it and all. So that is this one I just started. Pretty cool. And so here's the deal. Some people, and by people I mean game designers, are designing Minecraft all wrong. Cause look at sand, just floating there. And sand's supposed to fall. I find sand glitches all the time. Now, there was another sand block that was glitchy right by it. Probably if I placed one by it would fall, and this one would fall, but I never realized, oh, that's some glitch, that's fall. I can walk on a glitch. No! I walked on a glitch before, and trust me, that is so rare. But that's kind of a good thing about Minecraft. It loads fast. Oh, it's too fast. I'm gonna walk on it. No! Start small. No! Damn it. Okay. Oh. I'm just gonna give up. One time I rolled over a glitch on the trail. So this is my town. Okay? And this is not it. That's it. That's not. I'm gonna show you. Actually, you know what? I think I'm gonna end it here. Okay, guys? So, have a nice day. Goodbye.